kind of crazy storm. Ooh, look at that.
Good morning. It is June 16th, 2023, and we are obviously up at the boat in the foyer here. Going to get ready to move that refrigerator off, and then we're going to be back there culling our wood pile and then doing other odds and ends to get this place organized. And we should install that shade, get it out of here too. That would be useful. But the shade's in that big box over there. Anyway, that's the current plan. Later. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, that big strong guy.
Yeah, I'm ready for bed now. They're sailing with the longs, I believe. Sailing long-winded. So they're restoring that catamaran. Made a little bit of progress over here. Slowly have culled everything down to that little stack of wood and cleaned up the stuff on the thing and then cleaned all that stuff out. So definitely looking a little better in here. And I don't know if we got any photos or pictures of it, but all the stuff that was up here in the foyer has gone to either trash or giveaway or external storage. Which means we get to sort through it one more time and throw it away finally. Anyway, well, I'm gonna go do some more of this later. Okay, well, we got that area pretty much cleared out. We also cleared out some of the area in the bathroom here. Actually walk in, that's all cabinet or drawer making material. And that is future head area, although we're redoing it a little bit. And that's gonna be the vanity, which is currently piled high with plumbing parts. What we're gonna do right here is we're gonna take out that wall and this door. And then at some point we're going to come over a little further. That door is going to get moved over to that, and that'll be your access back and forth. And then this is going to be, a door will be in this plane going this way to go in and out of the office. We moved the saw over, and of course we culled the lumber pile down to that small amount. We threw a bunch of stuff away and took stuff to storage. Anyway, we're going to start taking the door out. Good morning. It is June 17th, 2023. We have our furring boards that we're going to go in here shortly. We got that wall out. And then this morning we took the junk that was up there, took that to storage or to trash, and then put the ropes outside in storage. And we also brought up a little office air conditioner, 5K BTU, and it's going to basically air condition this little area right here. And it'll also have some flow over into this area to keep it a little cooler. But first things first, we're going to be putting those in later.
This is our first furring strip for the office, and it's perfectly level as can be on a boat.
So we got two of our furring strips in. Got this one and that one. We're going to add that little piece in, and then we got a small one to go there and there, so we can start framing out the door area.
We're putting the frame around the door. So when we start to build walls, that will be covered up too.
And we have a trim ring. So we're getting ready to run the furring strips. You can see these are the existing furring strips from when this went port to starboard. But now we're rejigging this a little bit so that we actually have a permanent office. We'd had a design for an office in the port bedroom, but as soon as you had guests, you couldn't use it as an office then. We talked with an interior designer. He had a really nice design for our bedroom, which we're keeping a little bit of that for the port, and then also a nice design for the master. And the big thing that we got with the new design for the masters is all of a sudden we had a whole bunch of empty space over here, and we realized that we could turn that into a tiny office. It's about 9 by 6 in this little turned in area.
We're gluing in our first floor furring strip. And
Here we have Jeannie editing video in the future office. We got the sidewall up. And
while I hold my desk up.
that's right, hold the desk and the Sharpie and a little bit of room behind her for the chair. So yeah, it's gonna be tight. Although it looks like she can almost recline and sleep, you know. So what more do you need?
Because we like to do things more than once, sometimes 3 or 4 times, we're moving that wall / door area. Ooh, look at all that glue. But we can't reuse that, can we?
Yeah, we can. Should be able to reuse some. I
Okay.
need a scraper though.
Okay, Bill's putting the last piece in for this office space. So Friday and Saturday we completed what?
Cleaning up, organizing.
Yeah, we got rid of a lot of stuff and
Yeah.
either threw it away, gave it away, or put it in our storage unit. And we put the furring strips in.
Furring strips, we
right?
got those 2 wall panels out. We did that yesterday, took the door out, which is right there. And we modified our design a little bit. The big change was we were going to angle this wall like that. We ended up angling the entrance to the
Office.
And what makes that nice, we kind of preserve the shotgun effect of this flow. So when we're bringing long things in, they'll easily load them from the back and they'll go straight
Right.
in.
Oh,
nowhere.
yeah. And here we took that mound of ropes out and we put them on the front deck in a box. So this deck box came with the boat. We need to repaint it, but it's in pretty good condition otherwise. So all of our ropes are in there. And we are done for the day. Yay!